Hey y'all, cutting up, keeping it real. Listen, tonight my kitchen is going to be in stages. Decorating for Christmas and trying to get some supper on the table. I wanted to get some potatoes in the oven. I made these potatoes, I don't know, sometime early summer. And they don't want them any other way now. Just saying, if you hadn't tried these this way, they're a game changer. I've washed them. And I'm gonna cut them in two. Just bacon potatoes. They are so good like this. You cook them on 400 for about 50 minutes. And they are tender and soft. And then they've got this wonderful topping on them. So if you hadn't tried potatoes this way, y'all, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. You can mix it up kind of any way you want to. I might put a little rosemary on mine tonight. My guys are not rosemary people. They're just not. I love it. So let me grab a knife. I'm going to start by spreading just a little pat of butter on the insides of these potatoes. I don't know that mine will ever want a just plain baked potato again since they've had them this way. And they are good, y'all. They are. You can use any kind of cheese you want, whatever you got. I'm using leftover cheese from charcuterie. So we can waste not, want not. And like I say, use what you have. Parmesan cheese is really good in them. We've done cheddar. And listen, I used to do twice baked potatoes where I baked them and then scooped out the inside and then put butter and sour cream and cheese and sometimes bacon, chives, whatever, and then stuffed them again and stuck them back in the oven. And they're delicious that way too. But if you can do it this way and they're just as good, I say why not? Make it a little easier on yourself, right? Okay. I just have literally a bag of combination cheese here, y'all. This is Parmesan. So I'm gonna use some Parmesan on a couple of them. Just lay them face down. And on mine, I'm gonna put me some rosemary. Like I say, my guys are not crazy for rosemary, but I love it. Love it. It's a good way to use this cheese, that's for sure. I'm gonna try to use up the Parmesan because I had quite a bit of it that didn't get eaten. These potatoes are kind of long. Let's make this a little longer. Turn that one sideways. Anyway. Oh, there's some already dill in here too. I love cheese. Any way you want to put it out, I love it. Okay. Now, to the skins. Spray them good with some olive oil. Olive oil. Because you eat the whole thing, y'all. You know, skin and all. Let me grab some salt. What did I do with it? Oh, here it is. So I can salt the skins. How many other people do that with olive oil? Listen, I do. And like I said, 400 for about 50 minutes, 45 to 50 minutes. Give this a try, y'all. Your family will love it. You will not be sorry. An easier way to do twice baked potatoes in my book. That's what we're doing for dinner. And then I'm gonna put some marinated chicken, I think, in the skillet. Anyway, I'm not sure, but these are going in the oven now. Have a wonderful day, y'all. We'll see you soon. Like, share, and comment. We'll see you. Bye.